Good morning, guys. Ray here, Parksford, Gainesville. Just want to take a quick minute to tell you about this new truck we just got in. 2019 Ram Limited. This truck has it all the little special comforts that you're looking for. All your heated and ventilated seats, your LED lighting. Let's see, you got a little button on the key here that'll lower the truck down. Leather, power deploying running boards. It does, of course, have the Hemi four-wheel drive, large touchscreen, 21,000 miles, one owner truck. Guy bought it. He was traveling back and forth from Seattle to North Carolina, and now that he's staying home, he doesn't need it anymore. I don't know, this is a little too advanced for me, guys, but it is definitely nice. You have your full Vista sunroof. That'll go back all the way. Come by and take a look at it. Ask for Ray, Parksford of Gainesville, 3333 North Main Street, Gainesville, Florida. Take care.